Yo, what's up guys? I just got out of work and today is Friday, and yeah, let's hope that I end this Friday on a good note because I parked at a fire hydrant, and yeah, fingers crossed that I didn't get a ticket. I'm looking and I don't see a ticket. Fire hydrant, no ticket. Yo, let's fucking go. Put that in. Start this bad boy up. This big bad V6, and you guys hear that cold start? It's time to head home and go pick up the RCF. Hopefully there's not too much traffic here, but then again, it is a Friday. It's almost 4, so I'm expecting to be sitting in some heavy fucking traffic. So what's going on today? Today we are actually going to head over to Austin's. Austin is the dude with the Q60, and yeah, and just help him with an install. Ah, fuck, we're in traffic. It's mad traffic. What the fuck? All right, guys, hopefully this doesn't take too long. Guys, what type of final destination shit's going on here? You guys see this shit? I'm just doing a quick oil check, guys. I do know I need more coolant, but making sure I got oil in this bitch. Yeah, we do. We valid. Hey, let's go. Come on. Stick it in, come on. This is the only time it's hard to stick it back in. But as I said, guys, we do need more coolant. You can't see it, but it's at the almost empty line. So we gotta stop by AutoZone real quick and grab some coolant. And we gotta back this shit out of the garage, which is the hardest thing. It's time for a warm start. I'm saying a warm start because it's not cold outside, so it's gonna sound like trash. But yeah, a warm start. It won't be as loud. Shit, this shit kind of struggled. What the fuck? Okay, it's kind of scared me, but yeah, guys, a warm start. Get a little car, he said. It'll be fun, they fucking said. I won't have fucking issues, they fucking said. You won't go through 5 different front lifts, they fucking said. All fucking lies. Look at this shit. Sometimes it takes me 5 minutes, 10 minutes. One time it took me a fucking hour to get the fuck out this driveway. Hopefully this works. It probably won't. As you guys can see, the first piece of wood did not fucking work because my fucking front lip is on the fucking floor. So I had to go and get another piece of fucking wood. You guys see what the fuck I'm talking about? Guys, if you want to lower your car, if you love stress in your life, fucking go for it. Holy fucking shit. I thought my front lip was gone. There's another cat. Yeah, he's more into the car than he's into me. See how it is. It's all good though. Yo, is that Twinzilla? Yo, you want to see a video? That's the real shit. It was good, bro. How you doing? Appreciate it. That one over there, both of these. Oh yeah. Thank you, bro. Sheesh. Lexus. Yeah, I appreciate it, bro. Yo, guys, every second, man, this man's under the fucking hood. That's why I don't have my fucking Infinity anymore. Team Lexus. What the? That's Infinity? I knew that was at least a G37 or at least an Infinity. This fucking G was mad loud. This shit's hella loud. Where the fuck could I find the coolant? As you guys can see, I'm not really at AutoZones a lot. I'm more of an Amazon person. I just get everything off Amazon. Cool it. So, cool it. For Japanese cars, RCs, Toyota, Lexus. Where are you, Toyota, Lexus? Where are you? I think this is it, I hope. Red/pink. I think mine is red and pink. So, fingers crossed. But it's kind of weird because this is from 1990 and up. I don't know, it's kind of sketchy. Well, fuck it, I need it. Yo guys, this is exactly why you don't get a fucking Q60. I'm just fucking around, guys. So what he's doing is he's upgrading his intercoolers. So these are the old ones, which is a lot smaller, and these are the new ones. And yeah, I guess these provide more power. I don't fucking know. I'm NA, so these things don't really apply to me, honestly. But yeah, that's what I do know so far. I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at, bro. This shit's giving me hella anxiety right now. Guys, this guy copped this shit for $4,000 at an auction.
You ready to work?
What? Kind of feels like a fucking car meet right here. Yeah, what the fuck's going on? As a matter of fact, guys, it feels like I'm at a fucking concert. Fucking car meet. Alright. Time I spent in this locked up shit. Woo! Damn, bro, his hands look like this, so she could look like that. Alright, guys, hopping up the boy. I'm gonna rev his car to 2,500 RPMs. Hold it for 10 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But you gotta see this carbon fiber steering wheel. Shit's insane. This shit is nice, sleek. The inside, his heat is on, which tells me that his thermostat is on. I mean, is open. So yeah, right now, if you guys are wondering, we are bleeding the coolant system in his car because he emptied out the coolant system in order to install his heat exchangers. So yeah, that's what's going on. 6 hours later. We're still here. What the fuck? Yo, guys, I was here when the sun was out. No air bubbles. This is crazy. All right, guys, so interesting turn of events. So we finished Austin's car, but guess what? I lost my fucking wallet. Actually, I didn't lose it. I forgot my wallet in a friend's car. So yeah, we're actually waiting for him to pull up so that I could go and grab my wallet. Then after that, we're actually heading downtown to go get some noodles because we haven't eaten shit all day and we're starving. So yeah, that's the plan right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm at a German-only car meet. We got a lot of BMWs here. Bro, we got some Audis, we got some Mercedes, and guess what? I'm the only fucking RC up here as usual. But as you guys can see, I can't really park for shit, but who the fuck's gonna complain? I got Kayla here. Say hi. Now, how the fuck did I get invited here?
Just about to ask.
Let's just say I got the connections, you feel me? I think this is an M5. Please don't kill me. Shit looks hella clean. Let me just zoom in. This is my competition. Yo, this man is fucking slam. We got a nice green M4 here. We got a nice, I think this is a C7 Corvette. Shit looks hella cool, right? Yeah, C7 Corvette. Oh, we got the, I don't know. Is this a F80? I don't know what this is, but it is the new BMW M4 though. Yo, these shits look fucking fire. Got the McLaren. Yeah, man, this guy. Supra. Slow, what's going for? Holy shit. It's just crazy. We got the squad. This reminds me of summertime. Like honestly, like I could see them in a magazine, in summertime magazine.
Yeah. Like
you feel me? Yeah, exactly. That's nice. Besides how sexy this thing looks. Yo, this thing looks sexy. What the fuck? Shit. This shit start. That's the fact that this BMW. So like,
That's another peace out. Hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe, do whatever. You know, if you're new, if you haven't yet, hope you guys enjoyed.
holy shit, bro! That's a fucking Volkswagen.